Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeff is back with another video. All right, y'all. As promised, I told y'all this week I'm gonna do a video on the new air fryer that I told y'all about last week. Now, a little thing about the air fryer, y'all have bought so many of these things that y'all have put Amazon in the weeds. So what's happened? The product code still works, but because of the Amazon Prime Day and stuff that's going on, they discontinued the coupon. So you can still use the product code, but the coupon not gonna work until after the Prime is over. I emailed the owner of this company. Y'all bought 1,500 of these things, y'all, in 3-4 days. They sold 1,500 of these things from the old school soul food subscribers. So they put them, y'all kind of got them backlogged. So what's gonna happen after the Prime Day is over with? They're going to come back and get with Amazon and put the code back up there where you can get the whole 50% off. Because right now, before it was like $101 with tax. Right now it's like $139 with tax. It's still a good deal. It's a $200 machine. $200 with tax, $210 machine. So if you want to wait till after the Prime, the Amazon coupon will be back valid. But right now, only thing works is the product code. You go back to last Thursday video, and all the information in the description of the video. But like I say, it's so, we have the old school soul food family, she told me, have bought over 1,500 of these units. And pretty much just, it's never been done before, like she say. It's just overwhelming. So that's a good thing. So anyway, let's get started in the video. First thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna preheat this thing up. Let me touch it. I just had it. Okay, I'm gonna preheat this thing. Preheat. Let's get it going here because I want to preheat it to 380. No, that's on air fry. I want to preheat. Hold on, y'all. Hold on, y'all. Let's go back here. Guess I should have had it already preheating. Hold on, man. Preheat. Let's preheat right here. Okay, let's go down here. Preheat. There we go. Let's preheat right there. All right, there we go. 380. 380 degrees. Okay, we're gonna preheat that. Sorry about that, y'all, because I'm gonna cook it on 380 degrees for 22 minutes, these chicken thighs. I'm doing thighs and legs, but what I want to do first, I want to kind of get it marinated, get it, what I'm going to do, put a little oil on it. Not much. I'm going to put a little oil on it, kind of make the seasoning stick to it. I guess I should use a bigger bowl, but it is what it is. Got to get all that oil tossed around it. And all I'm going to do, y'all, I'm going to use my famous 3 seasonings. All I'm going to use is salt and pepper. Just little cavenders on here. I'm gonna use my old school soul food seasoning and shake there, y'all. That's all I'm gonna use. And actually, you can use whatever seasoning you want, y'all. In fact, y'all, I'm gonna use my hands here. I just wash my hands when I finish. Get it all good and coated here. All coated up there. There we go. All flavored up, coated. Now, when this thing finished preheating, I'm gonna put it on the rack there for 300. And I'm going by the directions of the machine, y'all. It say for thighs and legs, 380 degrees for about 22 minutes. So I'm gonna go maybe 25, but I'm gonna check it halfway through the process. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start with the skin side down to get a good cook on that. Then I'm gonna finish with the skin side up just to get that nice crispiness on it. So anyway, y'all, we'll be back in 3 minutes when that's ready and we'll put it in. All right, y'all, we back. Okay, this thing is preheated here, ready to go here. And what it is, I'm gonna do some fries later, y'all, in this basket, but I don't want to put the fries in the bottom yet until I get the chicken almost done. I don't want all the chicken dripping down on the fries until later on after the chicken's pretty done. Now you see I got my drip plate. I like to put a foil over the top of that, y'all, because I don't want it, when I clean it, it's easier to clean. So all I'm gonna do, y'all, I'm gonna take the chicken here. Like I see, I'm gonna put it the skin side down best I can on here. See if I can all fit it all on this rack here. It should all fit really nicely. Okay. All right, y'all. Put it right in here on the rack. There we go. Slide it in here. Okay, we're gonna set it 380 degrees. Hold on, we're gonna go air fryer. Let's go to air fryer first. Air fryer, 380, 22 minutes. We're gonna go 25. I'm gonna check it out for 25. And that's it, y'all. We'll be back in 25 minutes. We'll see what we got. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back here. Okay, the timers went off here. Let me check this chicken, make sure it's done. Okay, what I'm gonna do, y'all, I'm gonna take it out of here. And I'm gonna put it in my platter here. And I'm gonna get my fries going. And halfway through while I'm cooking my fries, I'm gonna put this chicken back in, because I already know by experience and looking at it, it's got about 10 more minutes to go on it. So I'm gonna get my fries going. And about 10 minutes into the fries cooking, I'm gonna throw this chicken back in there. I like the nice crispy skin they put on it. So it's almost ready, y'all. It's got another 10 minutes to go. All right. Okay, now I'm gonna use some, got my frozen fries here, y'all. Hold on just a second. I'll use some hand cut and half hand cut, which is frozen. And half sweet potato, y'all. Okay, here. Get my sweet potato here. Spray. This ain't the typical Sunday dinner, y'all, but something I'm trying out here, trying this air fryer. I'll show y'all how convenient. Yeah, I know I could took the whole basket out of here, y'all, but I'm just trying to show y'all here. And we're gonna spray it. And the thing say 350 degrees, y'all. 300, it say 400 degrees for 22 minutes. But y'all know me enough. Y'all know I don't cook anything on 400 degrees, nothing. I think that's too high a temperature to be cooking anything. I'm just not a 400 degree type person cooking on. So I'm gonna do this 380 for about 22 minutes here. Hold on, let me go to fries. That's the air fryer. There we go, go back up here. There we go, air fryer, 380. Oh, it's gonna try to preheat on me. I gotta preheat it again, y'all. Once I finish preheating, like I say, I'm gonna set it for 380 degrees for 22 minutes. After maybe 10 minutes, I'm gonna put the chicken back in on the top and let them finish all together with the fries and the chicken is done at the same time. But the chicken got about 10 more minutes. I can tell just by looking at it. So anyway, y'all, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back. Okay, like I told y'all, I'm gonna put the fries in there. The chicken actually took almost 30 minutes, y'all. If you do it in the air fryer at 22 minutes, on 380 is not enough for the chicken thighs and legs. So I did it for 30 minutes, because I knew 22 minutes wasn't gonna be enough. And you can see after 30 minutes, it's completely done. It's still juicy. See how juicy this chicken is inside? It does a good job. I like it because it's really, really sealed in the juices. Convection oven, I love them anyway. You know, that's why I'll cook with it in the food industry. But we're gonna try this out. I know it's juicy and flavorful. perfectly cooked chicken. 30 minutes, y'all. 380 degrees. And the fries is 22 minutes. 380. Perfect. Crispy. They've been sitting here a while. But chicken breast probably take a little bit less. It might take 22 minutes with chicken breast, but you know it'll dry, it cook quicker than chicken thighs. You want to try it? Yeah. But yeah, air fryer very, it's like a small oven, y'all. Like a really small oven. I love it, especially next time I'm gonna cook the chicken in the basket and see how it is. Cause the basket in the wire rack is, I don't think it's no different. Put you some salt and pepper on there, toss it with a little oil, perfectly cooked chicken. So anyway, y'all, I'm gonna be doing a lot of more items in the air fryer. And like I told y'all, the coupon code don't work, but the discount code still works on the description of the video I did last week. So go check it out. It's an awesome deal. And the deal ends next week. So go check it out. Make chicken in 30 minutes. No, don't even have to heat up your oven. Well, anyway, y'all, like this video, please share, please comment, please subscribe. Please follow my other social media accounts: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember hashtag 2022, helping others with a purpose, Old School Soul Food. Till next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day, and I will see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.